Selena, Class 10, Chapter 6, Solving Problems on Quadratic Equation. Sum number 8. Mr. Mehra sends his servant to market to buy oranges worth rupees 15. The servant having eaten 3 oranges on the way, Mr. Mehra pays 25 paise per orange more than the market price. Taking x to be the number of oranges which Mr. Mehra receives, form a quadratic equation in x and hence find the value of x. Let number of oranges be y. Therefore, cost of one orange is equals to rupee 15 upon y. Servant ate 3 oranges. Therefore, Mr. Mehta receives y minus 3 oranges. X is equals to y minus 3 means y is equals to x plus 3. Cost of one orange paid by Mr. Mehra is equals to original cost plus 25 paise, that is 15 upon y plus 0.25. Y is x plus 3, so rupees 15 upon x plus 3 plus 25 paise means 1 upon 4. Mr. Mehra pays a total of rupees 15. Therefore, the cost of one orange paid by Mr. Mehra into number of orange he got. 15 upon x plus 3 plus 1 by 4 into x is equals to 15. Okay. LCM of this denominator is 4 into x plus 3. This term multiply by 4, this term multiply and divide by x plus 3. We get 60 plus x plus 3 upon 4 into x plus 3 into x equals to 15. 63x upon 4x plus 12 into x equals to 15. 63, open the bracket and cross multiply. So 63x plus x square equals to 60x plus 180. Taken to the left, 63 minus 60, x square, 63 minus 60, 3x minus 180 equals to 0. Minus 180 split into 2 terms such that addition is plus 3, 15 and minus 12. X plus 15 into x minus 12 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 15 or 12. Okay, number of oranges cannot be negative. Therefore, number of orange equals to 12. Sum number 9. Rupee 250 is divided equally among a certain number of children. If there were 25 children more, each would have received 50 paise less. Find the number of children. Let the number of children be x. Rupees 250 divided among x student. Money received by each student, rupees 250 upon x. If there were 25 children more, then money received by each child is equals to rupees 250 upon x plus 25. Each children would have received 50 paise less. So, previously received money 250 upon x, now minus 250 upon x plus 25, this is 50 paise less. So, that is equals to convert into rupee 50 upon 100. In the denominator, LCM is x into x plus 25. This term multiply and divide by x plus 25. This term multiply and divide by x. Therefore, 250 into x plus 25 minus 250x upon x into x plus 25 is equals to half. Open the bracket. 250x plus 6250 minus 250x upon x square plus 25x equal to 1 upon 2. Plus 250 minus 250 get cancelled each other. 6250 upon x square plus 25x is equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply x square plus 25x is equals to 12,500. X square plus 25x minus 12,500 equals to 0. Minus 12,500 divide into two terms such that its addition is plus 25. That is plus 125 minus 100. Therefore, x plus 125 into x minus 100 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 125 or 100. Numbers of students cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 100. The numbers of students equal to 100. Sum number 10. An employer finds that if he increases the weekly wages of each worker by rupees 5 and employs 5 workers less, he increases his weekly wage bill from rupees 3,150 to rupees 3,250. Taking the original weekly wage of each worker as rupees 5, x, obtain an equation in x and then solve it to find the weekly wage of each worker. Original weekly wage of each worker be rupees x. Original weekly wage of employer rupees 3,150. Therefore, number of worker is equals to 3,150 upon x. Newly wage of each worker x plus 5 rupees. New weekly wage of employer rupees 3,250. Therefore, number of worker is equals to 3,250 upon x plus 5. Number of new worker is 5 less than the number of old worker. Therefore, 3,150 upon x minus 5 is equals to 3,250 upon x plus 2. Multiply and divide by x. We get 3,150 minus 5x upon x equals to 3,250 upon x plus 5. Cross multiply 3,150 minus x minus 5x into x plus 5 equal to 3,250x. Open the bracket. 3,150x minus 5x square plus 15,750 minus 25x equals to 3,250x. Minus 5x square plus 15,750 minus 125x equals to 0. Divide by minus 5 on all the sides. X square plus 25x minus 3,150 equals to 0. Minus 3,150 divide into two terms such that its addition is plus 25. Multiplication is minus 3,150 plus 70 minus 45. Therefore, x plus 70 into x minus 45 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 70 or plus 45. Since wages cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 45. The original weekly wage of each worker is rupees 45. Sum number 11. A trader bought a number of articles for rupees 1200. 10 were damaged and he sold each of the remaining article at rupee 2 more than what he paid for it, thus getting a profit of rupees 60 on the whole transaction. Taking the number of article he bought as rupees x, form an equation in x and solve it. Number of article bought by the trader x. Trader bought for rupees 1200. Therefore, cost of one article is equals to rupees 1200 upon x. 10 articles were damaged. Number of article left is equals to x minus 10. Selling price for each x minus 10 article is equals to each article price plus 2 rupees. That is equals to rupees 1200 upon x plus 2. Therefore, total selling price is equals to rupees 10 x minus 10 into 1200 upon x plus 2. Profit is rupees 60. New selling price minus old selling price is equals to 60. Cost price equals to 60. X minus 10 into 1200 upon x plus 2 minus 1200 equal to 60. Open the bracket. 1200 plus 2x minus 12,000 upon x minus 20 is equals to 1260. 2x minus 12,000x minus 80 equals to 0. Multiply by x on all side. 2x square minus 12,000 minus 80x equals to 0. Divide by 2. X square minus 40x minus 6,000 equals to 0. Minus 6,000 split in two terms such that its addition is minus 40, multiplication is minus 6,000. Minus 100 plus 60. X square minus 100x plus 60x minus 6,000 equals to 0. X minus 100 into x plus 60 equals to 0. X is equals to 100 or minus 60. Since numbers of article cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 100. Sum number 12. The total price of a certain number of identical article is rupees 4,800. By selling the article for rupee 100 each, a profit equal to the cost price of 15 article is made. Find the number of article bought. Let number of article bought equal to rupees x. Total cost price for x article is rupees 4,800. Therefore, cost price for one article is equals to rupees 4,800 upon x. Selling price of each article is equal to rupees 100. Selling price for x article equal to rupees 100x. Profit equal to cost price of 15 articles. Profit is selling price of x article minus cost price. So 100x minus 4,800 equal to cost price of 15 article. 15 into 4,800 upon x. Cross multiply. 100x square minus 4,800x is equals to 15 into 4,800. Divide by 100. X square minus 48x minus 720 equals to 0. Minus 720 divide into two terms such that addition is minus 48, multiplication is minus 720. Minus 60 plus 12. Therefore, x minus 60 into x minus 2 plus 12 equals to 0. X is equals to 60 or minus 12. Since article can be negative, x equals to 60. The number of article bought equals to 60.